Good morning guys and welcome to GVE London. Just going to take you through to GVE Servicing Centre today to show you a project we've got going on a vehicle that we recently sold. So the car in question here is a 488 Ferrari Pista that we sold to one of our repeat clients in January this year. There's a couple of additional bits he wants to do with the vehicle, not to take anything away, just to enhance the product itself. So what he's decided to do, one is a cosmetic upgrade. So he's taken the alloys which were in black. We've now sent them off to be brought back, powder coated and painted in like a bronze gold finish, which the guys will show you once the wheels go back on the car. And then the other major repair that we're doing on the vehicle, or major enhancement we're doing on the car, is we're replacing the exhaust system on the vehicle. Going from a Ferrari genuine exhaust system to a Novitec, along with some Pista parts exhaust system. So it'll be a new back box, decal on the vehicle for you as well, and also some electrical controls so we can control when and where the volume will kick in on the exhaust system.
You guys finished already?
No!
I thought it was finished for a bit.
just the start of it.
What did you have to...
the back box off.
Oh, was it just... No.
So yeah, we've got obviously the bumper off. And then now we're just in the process of taking the back box off, which is a nightmare.
Oh, it's tiny, isn't it?
Yeah, it's just very tight in there. It's just we have to remove the mountings, the whole bracket, so we got more play in it, and then wiggle it out from the bracket.
Oh, man.
Back box is stuck.
So there's no clearance to
Yeah,
get
there's
it
no
out?
clearance to get it out. It's just stuck right there.
So what do you think you're going to have to do?
We're going to have to move the cats back and then yeah, push it back and that should come up. Stop.
Fingers crossed.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Thank you.
What are you looking for?
Changes. Exhaust noise changes.
Oh, is it like flaps?
The valves, the exhaust valves still open.
So you're trying to close them?
Yeah.
It's not working?
No, it only does it when you drive, the Novitec system. Yeah.
Okay then.
I was just testing it.
Hi guys, welcome back to GVE London on a lovely Friday afternoon. So earlier on in the week, we had a 488 Pista arrive with us. Beautiful looking car, beautiful spec, bought by one of our return customers from us in January. He returned because he wanted to basically just take the vehicle up another level, which is what we're all about here at GVE. So already a special car, but some lovely little touches that he's put onto the vehicle. So the major difference that he's done, which a lot of people like to do in these Ferraris, is to put on a customized exhaust system, which has been supplied and fitted with a mixture of Novitec and Pista parts, including downpipes, which I know Bruce has talked you through in regards to procedure to fit it. Luckily, I'm not fitting it, so I just get to look at the end result and obviously hear it, which the guys will edit in and put some sounds and some videos on for you later on. Massive, massive difference to this vehicle. If there's one thing about the 488 Pista, is that the engine and exhaust sound is very refined, whereas what you find with a lot of kind of your Lamborghini cars, Ferrari Enzos, things like that, it's an earthquake of a noise. And what this has done is give the customer the ability to have that, but also have the ability to tune it down, so his neighbours won't hate him completely. The extra thing that he's done on the vehicle, again, which I'll show you in a minute, which is giving it a really, really nice touch, and again, just lifted it up that level as you look at the alloy wheels here. So what we've done is we've had the alloy wheels brought back and then repainted from the original gloss black to this beautiful gold colour, which I think anyone would agree, with the black, with the chrome mixture on here, it's not only a beautiful look, but a very classy look. Sometimes people go a little bit too far with these, but in my opinion, it's just, again, taking it to a completely another level. So as I said, guys, you know we are here at GVE. You should know by now what we do. Leave your comments, tell us what you want to see, tell us what you want to do. Come and visit us here. And as I say, enjoy the video, guys. All the best and have a great weekend.